Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes of Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Bhinmar. I am Jitendra Sharma, your English teacher. Today we will discuss a new topic, gender. I know you are familiar with this topic in your previous classes. In this video, we will discuss some rules to form the feminine gender. Okay? So the first of all we see the definition. What is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female. जेंडर वो टर्म होता है जो मेल और फीमेल के बीच में डिफरेंस बताता है. देयर आर 4 जेंडर इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कितने टाइप्स होते हैं? 4 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट टाइप द मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, and second type feminine gender, third common gender, and the fourth type is the neutral gender. These are the 4 types of gender. Now we will discuss one by one with example. So the first type, masculine gender. Do you know what is the masculine gender? Anyone? Nouns which refer to male or to objects classified as male, these are called a masculine gender. For example, uncle, hero, bull, king, etc. These are examples of masculine gender. Now we will discuss the second type, feminine gender. Do you know what is the feminine gender? Nouns which refer to female or to objects classified as female are called a feminine gender. For example, aunt, heroine, cow, queen, etc. These are examples of feminine gender. Now we will discuss the third type, common gender. As it shows from the word common. Nouns used for both male and female. Used for both male and फीमेल आर कॉल्ड अ कॉमन जेंडर. जो नाउंस मेल के लिए भी यूज होती है और फीमेल के लिए भी यूज होती है उनको हम कॉमन जेंडर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लीडर. लीडर इज कॉमन वर्ड. इट यूज फॉर बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल. स्टूडेंट्स. In the school, we use this word both for boys and girls. Pilot. Okay, these are example of common gender. Now we will discuss the fourth type, neuter gender. Neuter gender. Nouns which refer to inanimate objects और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. जो नाउन नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के रूप लिए उपयोग की जाती है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके लिए उपयोग की जाती है उनको हम न्यूट्रल जेंडर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कार, ट्री, चेयर, कंप्यूटर, एट्सेट्रा. दीज आर एग्जांपल ऑफ न्यूट्रल जेंडर. Okay, now we will discuss some rules for converting masculine gender to feminine gender. Okay, so the rule number 1 is by changing word to form feminine gender. feminine gender बनाने के लिए हम जो वर्ड होता है उसको चेंज करना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय इज masculine gender and the feminine is girl. Father, mother, husband, wife, dog, bitch. Boy means girl. Boy means लड़का. Girl means लड़की. Father पिताजी. Mother माताजी. Husband पति. Wife पत्नी. Dog कुत्ता. Dog means कुत्ता. And the beach means कुतिया. These are example of rule number 1. Now we will discuss the rule number 2. By adding ess at the end of the word. वर्ड के एंड में ess को ऐड करके हम फेमिनिन बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल HEIR एयर. HEIR एयर. एयर मीन्स उत्तराधिकारी. This is the masculine word and we make the feminine by adding ess. Then the feminine is heiress. Lion means शेर. The feminine is lioness. शेरनी. Poet means kavi and the feminine is poetess, kavitri. These are example of rule number 2. Okay, now we will discuss the rule number 3. By dropping vowel of last syllable and adding ess. It means we can make the feminine by dropping vowel of last syllable. We will understand by the example actor. ACTOR actor. In this word the last syllable or and the vowel of last syllable is o. We will omit this word. We will drop this word and add ess. Then the feminine word is actress. Tiger, tigress. Actor means abhineta, actress means abhinetri. Tiger means bag, tigress means bagin. These are example of rule number 3. I know you have doubt of this word. EG. E.G. Do you know what is the meaning of this word in English language? EG means example Gracia. Example Gracia. And the meaning of this word in English, for example. For example. Okay. If you have any problem related to this topic, then tell me personally on my WhatsApp number. Okay. And all students, send your homework daily, regularly, and watch my videos of English subject again and again so that you can learn easily. Okay. Thank you.